Alright. I need you to add your audio, please.
Hell yeah.
You are.
We're gonna watch your stream. What's your stream?
1, 2, 3, eatmybutthole.com. We're gonna start with these. Actually, yeah, hold on. Go to Twitch and type in GoatNut24.
Hang on. Oh, no,
I know, it's a very creative name.
I don't have Twitch anymore, do I? No,
Live,
I don't.
live, I found it. You know you could go on Discord and you can. Okay, join. Oh fuck. Actually, you know it doesn't matter. You can join a Discord and stream from there, and we can watch it.
Oh, well, I wanna
Yeah.
do it on Twitch because it will save. Because I can download it to my laptop later. Craig, just install it real quick.
There's John, second time. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Can you not make me listen to my own voice?
La 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 la.
I hate my voice.
Oh my god, it's so like getting worse.
Yeah, I was holding my phone up to my mic.
I'm installing Squid.
All right, well you do that.
Fox
Thank you,
Sports.
Slick, for being my first viewer.
Huh?
Slick, he's my first viewer.
Like ever? That's sad.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh
I
my
have
god.
7 followers on
god.
Twitch.
It locked me
It's
in.
crazy.
Oh my god. That is.
Oh, you don't even gotta be logged in to watch.
Oh. Well,
What?
good thing it just
Just
locked
give me
me
a
in.
follow, just cause.
Wait, what are you? What's your name?
GoatNut24. It's a great name.
There you are. You're live.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let me know when you're watching.
Oh, I'm watching.
See that? Gotta edge the pack. Oh. Dog crap. Blue.
It's a little bit slow, so I'm seeing it like a second after you say it.
Yeah. Twitch is delayed. Oh, another purple. Edge, professional
Three black
edger.
guys.
You know, I wish I had black eyes for that gun again.
Damn it. You didn't sell it like a retard.
Look, it bought me a couple battle passes.
Wait, can I hear myself through the phone? Wait, hang on.
Yeah, I can turn up the sound.
Uh,
I'm gonna wait for Slick to get back for the rest.
Wait, you laughed or slight?
He wanted to go do something.
Touch himself.
Do you see how poor I am? Only 2,000 renown now.
That hurts. I couldn't do that.
I just had 100,000.
I like my 44,000 a lot.
100K is the most I've ever had.
Yeah, I've never had that much. You could have gotten diamond skin, bro.
The previous most I had was 69,000, and I bought a bundle with it.
Man, what'd you buy?
I bought a bundle for Callie. I think it was a skin.
Okay, is it coming back or
And
what?
I don't know. Oh, well, hold on. Oh. It's not bad, but I have black eyes for it.
You're gonna get black guys, I'm calling it. I mean, yeah, I'm not saying like your next pack's gonna be black guys. I'm saying you're gonna get one.
I'm definitely gonna get one from the Bravo packs.
Man, that looks like
I don't know
dog
about
shit.
the regular ones.
Oh,
It appears Slick's back. Do you guys think I'll get a black eyes from the regular packs?
yeah. You get one, and it's gonna be a duplicate.
Oh. It's a duplicate.
Damn.
Fuck you, Craig. You ass wipe.
I'm so good.
But
Ah.
hey, you're making money.
Ah.
You got more packs. Oh, black guys. Oh, damn it.
You're gonna get the number of black guys, that's also gonna be a duplicate, but that's it. I don't think you're gonna get any actual good black guys.
Are you only running 60? Oh, never mind.
Not a duplicate.
Ooh, I don't have that one.
Is it do?
No, it was to do. What is Jackal Shotty?
I will say I've got a surprising amount of purple so far.
It was surprising.
I saw the green.
This takes me back to watching people open out the packs like it's just funny.
That's actually not a bad skin. Luxury?
I mean, I prefer black guys over that, but that's not bad.
I'm actually not a big fan of Atti's black guys. There's too much lighting.
Oh, is it? I like the ones that have a lot of blue. Speaking of blue,
More black the less ice, the better.
got on the blue trade.
Oh.
Purple black ice.
Ah. No black ice.
Skins, is that the new season skin?
Uh-huh.
They're garbage.
This season skin that it has.
That's why I saved up so many regular packs and bought some. So when I open my Bravo packs, I don't get those.
Yeah.
Actually kind of fun.
I like that skin.
The Bravo packs are gonna be juiced.
Oh, the later skin. Purple got before that.
How much is ice? I can't. Yep.
Alright, I say at least one more purple.
I think you should get a legendary somewhere in here.
Yeah, same. Are you opening your Bravo packs?
I am.
Oh yeah. You're definitely gonna get something there, I hope.
I will. I've got 20 of those.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I've been saving.
Am I crazy or did things get worse on this game?
I don't know.
I'm like looking.
Purple? Oh. I've had that for 3 years.
Yeah, same. I've had that
Thanks.
skin. Like,
Alright.
Hell yeah.
First Bravo packs, purple.
Nice. Gonna be black eyes.
I'll
Damn it.
actually wanted that headgear.
That's none of that. We're not opening those. Just kidding. Wait. Should I spend that 16k?
No.
Or should I keep it?
You should
Because
keep it and build up a big stockpile again for next season.
Okay. You're right. Oh, there's the legendary.
Actually, that'll pass this.
Dude, why are the legendaries always so bad?
Okay.
Alright. Alright.
No! Green!
It's always like a bad feeling when you get a green at Bravo pack.
I could shit just. Like, you can only get them by spinning them. Like,
No.
buy most of them on the marketplace.
Dude, no!
Buy most of them.
No!
Gross and weird.
God, no!
Might not be another one.
No!
Whoa!
Jesus Christ.
Whoa!
Bro's getting robbed.
Ubisoft!
Bro!
I'm getting
Getting shafted.
At this point, I might as well go back to my ex. To get pegged, okay.
Oh, two.
But hey, you have the full line at the moment. And a green.
Yeah, I guess that's a plus.
Oh, come on.
Other green.
legendary.
They removed comments from the game, so they doubled the amount. I actually like it.
That's pretty. I like that.
I think I have that one.
Oh.
I have better.
Ooh.
Oh.
Give me a black ice. Next pack's black ice, right? Please.
It's gonna be black guys.
Last pack.
It's a green.
Fuck.
I got
Is it hamburger? Please tell me
shafted.
it's hamburger. Fuck, it's not hamburger.
Bro, Shadow Legacy actually had
I got
the worst skin.
completely shafted.
Bro, literally, Shadow Legacy was so ass.
It's mossy up with real. Well, yeah, it's like hunting camouflage.
Literally, it is.
I wanted this black ice from the packs. Just that one. The AR-33.
Yeah, there's 33 black guys.
Oh, by the way, I'm gonna flex my black ices real quick. 'Cause I have a lot of these.
I have most of those.
I have a lot of black guys, but I got mine. Gosh, that kicked away.
I'm balling. I got the Gone 6.
I sold mine like a dumbass and I'm mad about it.
Is it worth more now?
No, I'm mad because I.
Let's
I'm
hop in
mad
the game,
because I
and then I gotta
actually
watch.
used it.
I probably gotta go.
Alright. Now it's time.